We are going to the left, so I'm going to, okay, I've got polygons first, polygons, strings, I keep going until I get that super alignment. My departure, pick this direction, super alignment. Okay, now it's because they're crossing over, so we'll just have to go through the same process we just went through with him. And that is, I can't, honestly, you guys, I can't tell you enough, keep this recalc open in the bottom corner. You'll use it constantly when you're doing roads, okay? I'm going to come up to the edit data. I'm going to pick on any string involved in a function and it will come up with the appropriate MTF editor. In this case I'm editing CL2. I'm going to templates, left side. So instead of starting at 0, I want to start it somewhere to the right hand side of the other road strings. So I'm going to pick on somewhere this side and accept it. And now when I click recal, okay.
Oh, so you moved it.
So I've told it instead of applying it right from the start, I've said I want you to start up here. And you can stop and start them wherever you like. Now, if I try this, hopefully, that will work. Fine. So now what we'd have to do, so that in that split second we've created all those files that we spent all that time in the first half of the lesson doing. It's doing it almost in
just in one box.
Yep. Just like that. So we're going to go back into our MTF editor here. We now know exactly where we want that template to start instead of just guessing. So we go back to the left side. Return and accept it. Okay. Recalc. And now it's perfect. Okay, so you'd have to go to the right hand side and do the same thing. The template's on the right hand side. Instead of 0, it's going to be that change. And then you need to go into this road and tell it to, it's only going to apply it from the start to there, and then from there to the end. Make sense?
Yeah.
Give it a crack. If you have trouble, let me know. If I go through the whole process, unless you physically get in and try it, this goes right for you because you've got the camera.
Nah, my camera's pretty short now.
Steve, you know how all those problems that we encountered tonight,
yep.
I'm just worried that if we do our project, that we come across those problems, we're not going to have time to ask you what to do.
We've got another hour now. What we'll do is I'll just do the cul-de-sac head.
Yeah.
We'll spend the last hour on the assignment. Honestly, I don't know why it's happening today. Last week I was running the functions fine. If we continue to have problems, then we can reassess things like extensions. But like if I give you the hour tonight to at least try them, there's only 2 curb returns and 1 cul-de-sac head in the whole thing. So we should be able to get by. So, templates, right side, got, okay, so road 2 is now starting and ending perfectly. Save and finish. We come down to edit data, I pick on any string involved in center line 1, opens up the MTF editor. The left hand side templates we don't need to touch, okay, there's no intersection, so the entire length of the road, that's fine. So we just need to look at the right hand side. We're going to go from the start to this point. Accept. We're then going to recommence that template on the other side of the intersection. Okay? So I'm going to restart it there.
So you need to do the other one first before you do that.
Okay, I'm going to pick on, tell it what template I want, and that's going to run to the end of the road. Okay, click on recalc, and that's the intersection trimmed out.
Even for that one?
Yep.
What?
Can you please do
Yep, so we'll save it for your snack. I'll come down and help you on your one.
You look like salads. The road, this thing.